Class. Today we'll be learning how to survive in nature.
Go. My head's too big for me to stand up. Me too, brother. Me too. Go.
Yes, Bowser Jr.?
What's nature? Ooh, me. I know what nature is.
Yes, baby Luigi. What is nature?
Nature is basically like the outdoors. What we're in now, like.
Oh. Alright, enough with the questions. Good. Now we're going to learn how to survive in nature.
Ooh, indeed. Teacher, how are we gonna do this?
Whoever survives better gets a good grade.
Okay. I like turtles.
The two team captains are going to be Baby Mario and Baby Luigi.
Sounds good to me. Teachers, we have our groups. Mine is Bowser Jr., Bluto, yeah, and Yoshi. Yoshi. My group is Lemmy, yep, light blue Yoshi, yoo-hoo. Blue Yoshi! So legit! Get to